Hi. So I'm in Berlin now. I'm in the hostel room, so I'm like hoping no one like walks in. I'm literally just at the window. Such a cute view. Yeah, so I've been here a while, but like check-in wasn't until 2 o'clock. I got to Berlin at like 10 o'clock or something because my flight was at 7, and then like the time difference. But when I got there, oh my god, it was so cold. And then I was gonna, like, I could have got like 2 buses, but I literally just was not arsed. So I paid €20 for an Uber. But yeah, it was like quicker, and like €20 is not bad, I guess. Yeah, so I got to that hostel and just like dropped my bags and all. And then I went to this little like cute little cafe called The Barn. It's so good. Like, I got a little vegan cupcake and soy cappuccino. Yeah, but then I was like, oh right, this is a place called Museum Island. I was like, right, I'll go there, that sounds fab. So I started walking over there. I was like using Google Maps, got there in like 20 minutes, and I was like, wow, so proud of myself. But then my fucking phone died, and I was like, I had my power bank with me, but my power bank is from Deals, and it was like $1.49, and it just like, it literally plugged it in, and I started taking power out of my phone, like not putting power in. So I was like, oh here, like I was like, I can't like be this far from the hostel, and like, cause my phone died, and I was like and I was like, I rely on Google Maps so much, so I was like, I should probably like walk back while I remember the route, and charge my phone. Like, so I walked back, and I actually like remembered so well. I was like, little fucking, what's his name, Bear Grylls. Yeah, so I managed to get back, and check-in was at 2 anyway, and I got back at like 20 to 2, so that was kind of like actually good timing. So I'm just in the room now. I'm gonna like put my stuff away. I forgot a fucking padlock for the locker, so I'm just gonna like put my stuff in the baggage room and keep my passport with me or something. And I'm probably gonna, I think I'm gonna go to like another museum now or something. And then Claire gets here at, Claire's my like friend that I was working with all summer. She lands at like 5, so I'll meet her soon enough, and then I need to pick up the key. Oh my god, this is 2 minutes long, fuck. I need to pick up the key from the woman that I'm staying in her flat tomorrow, and I really don't understand where she lives. Like, I'll probably just end up getting an Uber again and showing him the address, because like if I'm going by myself, if I'm going with Claire, I'll get like a bus or train, but if I'm going by myself, I'll probably get an Uber, because like the stress of like going on a train by myself, because like I was at the airport, and he started, like, the Uber driver spoke no English, and he started like shouting German at me. I was like, hey. Like, it's kind of weird though, because you can understand it in a strange way, like, because it sounds like English, but I was like, guten Tag. Yeah. Oh, it is now. Look who I found.
The sweet potato queen.
Oh, okay. So what I've done from yesterday. Oh, this cap is ridiculous. I literally put eyeshadow to try cover my bags. It's not really working. So yeah, I met up with Claire yesterday, and then we like got food in this, what was it called? It was like some Vietnamese place, and the food was so nice, and it was so cheap as well. And then we went out to Treasure. It's like T-R-E-S-O-R, and it's so good. It's like Hanger times 10. It's like the, like, you have like Bergen, and then there's Treasure. It's like Bergen, well, I don't think I'd get into Bergen anyway, but Bergen isn't on Mondays. I don't think like Monday night is like a big night out in Berlin, but like it was so good last night. And then we're after moving from the Generator hostel to like this flat, like, which my dad's friend like lives in Berlin, and she's gone back to Dublin this week, so it's like handy. We are gonna go, or we're staying in this flat until Thursday, and the place is so nice. It's literally like I'd live here, like it's so nice. I wonder, can I flip the camera? I know. No. So this is like the bedroom, and look at the view. It's so nice. It's just so funky. Like, the woman who lives here is so cool. And it's my outfit. Okay, this is my favourite bit, is the bathtub. Like, Is that not my vibes? And the little flamingo. Here's a little kitchen. Like how, like everything is just so cute. Like, and then I think in here we've Claire in her natural habitat. We do. Oh my god, you're blowing bubbles. That's so cute. And that's where Lauren's gonna sleep. Oh hi. This is my princess chair. Even this, like, this is so cute. Look at her.
Yeah, I knocked the bubbles over.
This is the other balcony. Like, how fucking cute. Blow some bubbles there, babe.
Oh.
How are you feeling after last night?
Not 100%. Maybe 98.
That's fine. We can work with that. So now, well, it's like 1 o'clock, so we're gonna go get like brunch, whatever. And then it's like the market like right in the street. We're gonna have a look around and then just like have a little chill kind of just exploring day, because tomorrow's gonna be really real like touristy day. Like we're doing all like the Jewish Hitler things. So yeah, I'll speak to you soon. Oh, I like stepped on something. I like mixed a drink with this last night and it was just way too strong. Like, no, no.
That's good.
Historically exciting. It's very different than straight line.
Oh, €14. Jesus Christ.
What if, oh, 14 euro.
€14.
Is it for a 10 euro taxi? Or Uber?
Yeah, it's an
Should
Uber.
have got a Uber.
We're better walking back a
So
little
we just
bit.
did, we just did like a 2-hour walking tour and got all like the tourist spots. Very good. Would highly recommend. And now we're gonna go to like the East Side Gallery, is it?
East Side
Which is
Gallery.
like the Berlin Wall, which has like all the street art and graffiti and stuff on it. And then we're going out tonight, I think, to Kit Kat.
Instas.
Hey guys. So I'm just like sitting here watching the vlog clips that I have, and I feel like I need to add to it now that I'm home, you know, review and reflect my experience. I'm looking hella greasy right now, but yeah, I feel like I couldn't really get any clips of like nightclubs around, so like I'll just add in to this. And also I'm gonna link the walking tour we did. Was so good. It was like some English guy doing it that used to be a history teacher, and he just like loves it so much. I'm gonna like link the company that does it below. It's like it's a free walking tour, but like you kind of do have to pay. It's like you pay like what you think like the value of it was. I just gave like 20 quid, I think like most people give like 15 or 10, or like 25. Yeah, so I'm gonna link that below. And excuse the fake tan. Okay, fuck off. Yeah, so on Monday, right, it was just me and Claire, and we went up to like the reception in the hostel, because the first night we were staying in the hostel, and we were like, oh, like I was like, oh right, we're going to Treasure. That's what I thought. But then I was getting ready. I was like, oh, I was so tired. I was like, I'm not in the mood for techno right now. Like, I just want some chill, like R&B tunes or something. It's like I love techno, like when I'm going out and all. Then sometimes I'm just not in the mood, because I put on like some like playlist, and I was like, oh no, I can't be dealing. So I went up to the reception guy, and I was like, oh, like, do you have any recommendations for a club, which is like, you know, like not normal music, but just like, you know, stuff you can just have a bop to, you know. And then he recommended this place. I don't even know the name of it, but it doesn't even matter, because I would not recommend it at all. Thank God it was only like €3 entry, because oh my god, it was so bad. We got an Uber there, and then you go in, and it literally looked like a 50-year-old birthday in like Luke and Sarsfields, and I was like, what is this? Like, we literally had one. The minute I got in, I wanted to leave. Like, we had like one, like, it was fun, like but there was like a buffet and stuff. I was like, what is this? Like, I guess it makes sense, the guy who told us that, like, I can imagine him there, but I was just like, oh god. Yeah, so we literally had one drink there, and we're like, alright, we're going to Treasure. And oh my god, queuing up for Treasure, it's like it was so weird. Like, everyone was just so serious, and I was like, oh, it must be like hard to get into or something, because I know like Bergen is like famously hard to get into. So I was like, alright, better like not be fucking laughing around. And then he let us in, like, obviously, and then you're not allowed like on your phone or anything, but it was so good. It was like well, it wasn't amazing, like, if you like techno, it's good, like, it was really good. It's kind of just like a more intense hanger, really. But the drink was kind of expensive. But like beer, wine, and food in Berlin is so cheap, but like vodka and stuff is just like normal Dublin prices. Oh, that's hot. And then on Tuesday night we didn't go anywhere, because Lauren was coming at like 11:30, so we just like we got pizza, and this guy was so rude. Like, every time we couldn't all order together, and every time we ordered, he looked more and more pissed off, because it was like late at night. But, like, if you don't want to open that late, just don't open, like. And then on the Wednesday night we went to Kit Kat first, which, oh my god, so good. Just like look it up. But it was brilliant. Like, I was having it was so fun. Like, I was having the fucking like time of my life. You go in, right, and you're not allowed to wear, like, normally like a cloakroom is optional, but they literally hand you a hanger, and they like take your coat off, because like if you're wearing too much clothes, they take your clothes off. Like, they literally, like, if you're wearing a long sleeve top, they'll be like, take it off. And then they take your phone off you, which I was like, like, please don't lose it. And it was so weird, because like every time something fun was happening, I was like, oh, like, I wish I could put this on Snapchat, which is such like a bad mindset to be in. Like, I feel like I need to like retrain my brain to like not be in that mindset, to be like, oh, if I'm having fun, be like, oh, put it on Snapchat. Like, it's so annoying. But that was amazing. And then like we kind of not got bored of it, but we were like, oh, like, I would have stayed there, but the two other girls like wanted like a normal club. So then we went to Matrix, which was like, it was good, like, it's like, it was seven floors of like all different types of music. But it was kind of just like academy, but like better, obviously. But the guys in there are so creepy. Like, the guys in there compared to the guys in Kit Kat, like, they kept like just coming up, and like, what was disgusting. Like, I think it was like Matrix, a mostly tourist place, because they play just like all like English music and all, but it was still good. So yeah, I feel like I got a good mix. Like, I went to I was there 3 nights, and I went to 4 different nightclubs, so I feel like I got a really good mix. Like, I got like a shit nightclub that like I think the locals go to like after work, like fucking Dicey's or something, and then like really good techno one like that. It's like Treasure is like historically, like, that was like the beginning of techno, and then Kit Kat is like proper like German culture, and then Matrix was like the touristy club. So it was really good. yeah, but I definitely recommend. I'm gonna like leave the link of that walking tour below, and then the link of the Generator Hostel, because I only stayed Generator Hostel one night, but it was really good. Like it was only 22 euro a night, I think, and it was really good. Like they have like a bar and everything, and like a little cafe and stuff downstairs. It was so nice. But I've been talking for 6 minutes, so yeah, I'm gonna go. Sorry, but yeah, bye.